Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Leisha here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that help me get back on track with all my healthy habits after a fall off. If you're interested in seeing what helps me get back on track, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay to the end of the video. So first we're going to start it off with skincare. Now skincare is one of the easiest habits to fall off for me because it can get tedious sometimes doing it every day. But keeping it in routine just makes me feel better. It makes my skin feel better, it makes my skin look better, and it makes me want to keep doing it. So I always start off with getting right back on my skincare routine, which is very simple. Next, we're going to go into our journaling. Journaling will put you ahead of the game if you stick to it. It's something that is hard for me to stick to, but when I'm journaling every day, writing down what I'm grateful for, budgeting, setting up my day or my week, planning my meals, planning my grocery list, it makes everything just go so much smoother. And you can see this month is empty. I have not picked up my journal in about 3.5 weeks. That's why this is a get back on track. I am a hairstylist, so every week my schedule is different. So journaling and planning out my week is very important for my productivity because it's so easy to get disorganized when you don't know exactly how your week is going to flow. So journaling and planning out my week helps me just tackle the week effortlessly. Next up, we have the gym. Now, this is my first day back in the gym in about 3.5 weeks. I went on 2 vacations back to back, a week apart, and that threw my entire schedule off. So we're just going to go into it real smooth. I didn't do any weights this day. I just strictly did cardio. I did 30 minutes on the treadmill on an incline of 12. I did the 12 through 30. It's my favorite exercise ever to do. And I do it without holding on to the treadmill. So it works my core. And it just makes the workout a little more challenging. And I love that. So get on your 12 through 30, girl. Next is something important that I think everybody should do, but especially women. This is my friend Gina. She is a hairstylist like me. We both have similar goals, and we meet up every few weeks to just encourage each other, motivate each other, speak life into each other, give each other solutions if we have a problem that we run into, things of that nature. It's always important to have a community around you that is striving for the same things that you are. Not all of your friends have to be striving for the same goal, but if you are striving to be something or to do something, you need to have the right community around you, or you need to get into a community that can support you. You guys can hold each other accountable and things of that nature. We both have our laptops, we have our journals, we have our notebooks, we're taking notes, we are giving each other advice. This is something that I can't stress enough, that it is very important to get into a community or place yourself in spaces that you are seen and you're heard and that help you grow. next habit is a habit that I love. Now, when I'm on this habit, oh baby, I'm on my zone, because fasting just gets me right every time. Now, I don't fast all the time, but when I'm fasting, oh, I'm in my bag. At this point, I've fasted for about 19 hours. I'm about to go ahead and prep my fruit and cut up my vegetables for the week. I don't really meal prep. I might prep like the ingredients, but I don't meal prep. But cutting up my fruit is one thing that helps me just stay on a healthy habit of not grabbing junk food, because I can just grab the fruit that's already cut up. This part actually has me a bit annoyed, because as you can see in the corner, that's a cantaloupe. What I'm cutting up is supposed to be a honeydew melon, and honeydews are green. Not sure what's going on here, but it definitely irritated me. So now that we have our big bowl of melon, I'm just gonna season it with some cinnamon and lemon juice. That's the only thing I put on it. It just makes it taste better. I learned it on TikTok, blame TikTok. But we have our bowl of melon here that we're gonna eat throughout the week as our snack to keep us from snacking on sweets throughout the week. So here we have some of our veggies that I prepped. I'm not sure what happened to that footage, but I just always like to cook with onions and peppers, so I cut up those. And then those are cucumbers that I like to eat with tuna. Coming off a 20-hour fast, I'm just gonna end it with this air fried salmon, rice, and grilled veggies. Great way to start my healthy week. Lastly, we have vitamins. When I'm on my vitamin regimen, I can really tell the difference. I haven't taken any vitamins in about 2 weeks at this point, and I feel the difference. Not having that magnesium in my system just did something to my sleep. I don't know, it could be a mind thing, but I take about 8 vitamins. That'll be in a separate video, but hopping back on my vitamin regimen and drinking my water is perfect way to end my healthy habits. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.